Assembly dissolve athubada tawraga anoba mikhal pangthoksi haina Congress ki maikidigi phongdokre ngasi Congress bhavan da pangthokiba pawgi mifam amada MPCC ki President Kaisa Mega Sandrana wafamasi phongdokladuna ngarang thambal sanglen da pangthokiba thoram amada hanagi Chief Minister oiramba N Birena phongdokiba wafam angakpani Congress ti Indian Constitution ikai khumnaduna lakpa political party amani adubu BJP na thokliba irang asi karamna loishingari haina khanbagi mahut election da kok sungsin dunaire irang asi numit satret homfumanga helaba fawba loishinba ngamdana BJP na haujiksu leiri adubu Congress na palamba taragadi tha ani gi manungda loishilamba yai irang asidi BJP na lengakpa heitabadagi thokhanbani haina mahakna makhataki
Lengak mengamdre Presiden rule matung dasu financial crisis asuk saulo thengnare adu sugumba mayam lairiba mayam singsigumba gi issue singche short tawroba suggestion adagi government adagi BJP gi aikoi MLAs mayam sing suggestion tawra Congress ta tainaba MP ta tainaba very unnecessarily aikoi gi blaming to the Congress party and the Congress MP lairaba sing nomu gi henda lairaba hengale Ina kunba singdi paisa khara payobani na nomu ina kunba hengit khre under this double engine government under this president rule hauzik parja sing angak pa phangna yam tin ware fundamental rights sing aikoi phangdre lairaba parja amana hauzik mapanda laing bachatki haibada flight ticket ka pangam datna satpangam daba mayam amle rural area da singi area da tongan ba ngasai local body election tawdaba mayam singsi sahi manga hena election tawdaba ADC masi constitution na pi bro constitution BJP legak na ngai bro panchayat ki election sahi kya surage nagar panchayat the small town municipality ki election tawdaba sahi kya surage BJP ki popular government lai ngai tegi natro then president rule adi election taw yati haibal bro panchayat podi ki election taw na BJP ki government asina constitution nga abadi election taw local body sing ki finance commission ki thousands of crore paisa mayam ama huji election taw dabdagi pai dana leibni huji paisa changbam leita dana leibni thousands of crore 1000 crore 15 finance commission huji grand unit fund sinadri bini si election taw dabai ni popular government lai ngai degi na hauji president rule election taw dabagi ni masi संविधान ngai bro BJP na